Did you know your kitchen is full of infection-fighting superheroes? Yup, these 7 foods can naturally boost your immunity and keep you healthy without any medicine.
Our bodies have amazing defenses, our immune system, but sometimes it needs a little extra help. The good news? You don't need expensive supplements. Nature already gave us the perfect foods.
Number 1, garlic. It's not just for flavor, it's a natural germ fighter. Garlic contains allicin, a powerful compound that helps your body fight bacteria and viruses. Add it to your meals daily. Number 2, ginger. It fights inflammation and bacteria, helping your body stay strong. Try a warm cup of ginger tea when you feel a cold coming on. Number 3, citrus fruits. Packed with vitamin C, these fruits strengthen your immune system and help you fight infections faster. Start your day with fresh orange juice. It's yummy and super healthy. Number 4, honey. It's not just sweet, it's antibacterial and soothing for your throat. A spoonful a day can help you fight infections naturally. Number 5, turmeric. This golden spice contains curcumin, which boosts immunity and helps your body fight infections. Add it to soups, smoothies, or make golden milk. Number 6, yogurt and probiotics. They keep your gut healthy, and a healthy gut means a stronger immune system. So eat some yogurt every day. It's tasty and healthy. Number 7, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that help your body fight infections naturally. Add them to your meals daily. To get the most out of these foods, eat them fresh, stay active, drink plenty of water, and keep your diet balanced. Your body will thank you. Start adding these 7 natural infection fighters to your daily meals today. Stay healthy, stay strong, and let nature do its magic. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more tips.